right now.
Medical marijuana, legal in Missouri. The problems you'll face crossing the state line, even if you have a prescription.
Kansas City, KCTV 5 News at 10 starts now.
Medical marijuana will soon be legal in Missouri, and though that may be a relief for some, it also opens up a can of worms legally that could affect you if you plan to get a prescription. KCTV 5's Betsy Webster is live in Kansas City, Missouri tonight, and Betsy, legal experts have a pretty big warning tonight.
Well, that's right. You know, you may be able to consume cannabis products here, but step across the state line and you could be in trouble for years to come. Say you decide to go shopping in Kansas and you have a cannabis product in your pocket. You forgot it was there. You run into police. Now you're in jail for the night. And even if you get just probation, you'll have to find a replacement drug therapy for at least a year.
Virtually every probation contract here in Kansas is going to require that a person abstain from the use of illegal drugs and alcohol. And since it's illegal in Kansas, they're going to test the person routinely.
Overland Park lawyer Brandan Davies handles a lot of pot cases.
We're going to start getting a lot more calls.
And he's prepared to have a lot more once the Missouri law goes into effect.
You've got Colorado, it's completely legal. You've got Missouri now, that's medical marijuana. That's all going to develop. But then you've got this area in between those two places who is super tough on people that have marijuana.
There are other complications he can see cropping up that will likely be tested in court, like the growing part. You're allowed 6 plants if you have a prescription card. Sure, it's illegal to then share the weed with others, but it's not as easy to track as someone illegally sharing their Oxy prescription.
Oxy? That's regulated. You can't just you can't grow Oxy out of the ground.
Now, other issues include DWI. There's a number for alcohol, 0.08. What's the limit for THC? How do you test that? Then there's your job. How does medical marijuana fit in with a corporate policy for random drug testing? All of those are things he says still need to be ironed out, but things you may want to consider as this law gets underway. Live in Kansas City, Missouri, Betsy Webster, KCTV 5 News.
Yeah, a lot to think about. Betsy, thank you.